a trailblazer in the Filipino pop music scene with a lasting impact on the industry and a growing global presence. The P-Pop Icon Award is presented to
nagsisiyar pa ako eh.
Ano ba yan dyan?
Pero, una sa lahat, P-Pop! Yes, P-Pop Icon Award. Gusto ko na syempre mag-share ng story. Kasi, when I was 16 years old, pero when I was 16 years old,
2 years ago.
talagang parang na-inspire ako or na-fell in love ako with performing. Not to myself, pero dun sa mga pinapanood ko mag-perform ng mga artists, celebrities, and syempre visionaries. And na-realize ko, ang galing nitong ganitong concept. Yung natatel mo yung stories mo through art, performing, singing, dancing. Doon ako nakakakita ng idea na what if maging ganito ang Pilipinas? What if lumawak pa ang kultura ng culture and the arts natin? Kasi alam nyo, I got an opportunity before to perform abroad to represent the Philippines for another competition. At doon mas lumawak yung vision ko. Doon ko na-realize na sana balang araw maging katulad ng America, K-pop, J-pop, or alam niyo, just pop in general, pero on that level, yung Pilipinas.
Yes!
And kaya ako sinishare to because there were times na naalala ko yung mga unang sampa namin sa mga interviews sa TV. Ang tawag sa amin, Filipino K-pop. Ako, matigas ulo ko, sinasagot ko. Sabi ko, hindi po Filipino K-pop. Nag-isip ako ng closest word na pwede nating i-relate sa Philippine pop. So I said, P-pop. P-pop po kami. And of course, ngayon, P-pop has grown so much. There was this, actually, my good friend, recently nagkwentuhan kami. Then sabi niya, na parang napagkwentuhan namin yung, alam niyo yung The Greatest Showman? And did you know the song, A Million Dreams? Kasi similar na ni Hugh Jackman, feel ko, ganun ako. Parang pag may nai-envision ako, baliw, masyadong mataas, ambitious. And meron doon, my favorite line was, a million dreams for a world we're gonna make. And right now, I feel like we're more than a million already. Diba? And yung million dreams na yun, sama-sama natin tutuparin. Para sa industry, para sa P-pop, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Of SB19 for the P-Pop Icon Award. And yes, totoo yun guys. I would host events before and I would see the script and the description of SB19 before would be Filipino K-pop group. And I would correct also the script na hindi po, P-pop po yan. But right now, see, we're on the 9th P-Pop Music Awards and we're still growing. So let's continue to fight for and to champion P-Pop.